Hello friends, do you also dream of achieving something big in life? Do you also wish to bring discipline, energy, and success into your life? Then today's video is not just a book summary. It is an awakening, an understanding of the power of the 5 a.m. club. If you truly want to improve your life, then developing the habit of waking up early could become the biggest turning point in your journey. Let's understand how can you change your life and find success by simply waking up early? If you desire success and want to make your life better, if you want to know the secrets of rising early and transforming your life, then you must listen to this book summary. Written by leadership expert Sharma, the book, The 5 a.m. Club, teaches how waking up early can lead to a successful and joyful life. The author believes that waking up early opens the doors to success. He shares powerful concepts, tips, and methods about morning routines in different chapters throughout the book. The book presents 5 ground rules for rising early. If you struggle with waking up in the morning, then try to stay away from distractions and negative people throughout the day and wake up early. Spend that morning time with yourself. Know yourself. Understand yourself. Because those creative thoughts that come in that silence can completely change the direction of your life. Embrace them. Instead of making excuses, complete your tasks with commitment. Making excuses is a sign of failure. If you want success, stop making excuses and concentrate on your work. Get it done. Every excuse takes you further away from your destination. Break that habit. Every new task feels difficult at first, but once it becomes a habit, it starts feeling easy. Make the effort to wake up early. Just because others don't do it doesn't mean you shouldn't. You are different, and this different thinking will define who you are. Adopt good habits. Sometimes it may feel like this isn't working, like giving up. You may feel disappointed, but that is the exact moment to become stronger and stay committed. Successful people don't give up in tough times. They face challenges head-on, stay focused on their mission, and this dedication is what leads them to success. Don't run from the fear of failure. Be determined and finish what you start. In this book, the author shares 3 powerful lessons about the benefits of waking up early. Waking up at 5 a.m. brings freshness and energy to the mind, which helps you become an elite performer and unlock your creativity. When the world is asleep, you get a chance to connect with yourself. To strengthen your inner power, you must awaken and empower the talents hidden within you. That's what will make you truly strong from within. Adopt the 20-20-20 formula after waking up early and make the best use of your time. This is a routine that won't just empower your mornings, it has the potential to completely transform the direction of your life. The author emphasizes that waking up early brings clarity and mental strength. It helps you use your time wisely. The morning hours are quiet and peaceful. Your mind is free from worries and overthinking. That time can be used effectively because the brain is naturally less distracted during those early hours. The author explains that our subconscious mind influences our entire daily routine, which ultimately affects our inner growth as well. That's why it is essential to focus on these 4 powerful areas of inner strength. These inner strengths not only lead us to success, but also keep us balanced and peaceful. 1. Mindset. To develop and strengthen any idea, we must first set our mindset right. A clear and positive mindset is necessary for nurturing good thoughts and a healthy perspective. Only then can life be filled with happiness and excellence. When your mind is clear, the path forward naturally becomes easier. 2. Heart set. Along with mindset, the author emphasizes the importance of heart set, because just setting your mind isn't enough to move forward. You also need to align your heart and gain control over your emotions. Heart set refers to managing emotional responses, which can sometimes weaken us. That's why heart set is essential, so we can build emotional resilience and stay focused on our goals without being swayed by feelings. 3. Health set. The author considers health set to be very important. Most top successful people prioritize their health. They treat their bodies like temples. They work out, They exercise, whereas ordinary people often neglect their health. Health is wealth. If your body is healthy, only then can you achieve name, money, and fame, and live a joyful life. To become a top personality, being health conscious is essential, and to maintain good health, regular activity is a must, because when the body fails, dreams are left incomplete. Fourth, soul set. In our busy lives, we often don't make time for ourselves, but to find inner peace and self-awareness, soul set is crucial. Take time for yourself. Meditate to bring peace to your mind. It helps remove inner disturbances. Ultimately, true happiness lies in a peaceful soul, and that peace is not found in the outer world, but in your inner world. The author writes that world-class performers wake up early. They innovate themselves in such a way that they maintain their leadership qualities. People follow them. They lead according to their full capacity. Waking up early brings an active and fresh feeling. Their morning routine plays a major role in their success. It's not just a habit. It's a lifestyle that lays the foundation for greatness. The 20-20-20 Formula for Success. The author shares a powerful formula for success known as 20-20-20, which is based on 3 key principles: move, reflect, grow. This formula brings you closer to your personal victory. It is divided into 60 minutes, starting at 5 a.m. 1. Move. The first 20 minutes at 5 a.m. focus on move. This means waking up from bed and doing physical exercise, which is incredibly beneficial for your health. It refreshes the mind, warms up the body, boosts inner strength, and strengthens your physical frame. Doctors also agree that waking up early is good for your health. When the body becomes active, energy flows naturally. 2. Reflect. The second step is reflect. After your body and mind are energized, you need to motivate your inner self. This includes meditation, prayer, and planning your day. These 20 minutes of reflection help you analyze your life deeply. Instead of living life on autopilot, explore new ways of being. Figure out what matters to you and what doesn't. What to do, how to do it. Get clarity on all these things. Only when your inner thoughts are clear can you make the right decisions, because inner clarity always leads to external success. 3. Grow. After the reflect step, the next 20 minutes are dedicated to grow. Set your goals, expand your knowledge to innovate new ways of achieving them, and for that, read, learn, and explore new things. High achievers constantly seek to grow their knowledge. They are curious, excited, and eager to learn. They strive to become better versions of themselves every day. Gain information related to your goals or work, and allocate time to implement what you learn. Because true growth isn't just about learning, it's about applying that learning to real life. Capitalization IQ. It is often said that successful people have higher IQs. They're geniuses. They have God-gifted talents. But that's only one side of the story. Ordinary people can also enhance their IQ through practice, dedication, and consistent effort. Even someone with no computer skills doesn't give up. They take courses, work hard, and build knowledge through practice, because those who try never truly fail. Personal mastery practice. Every person is a master of something. All that's needed is to recognize that hidden interest. Then, with practice, patience, and belief, choose your passion and stay committed to it, without giving up, without getting discouraged, without losing energy. One day, that very passion will become your identity, because those who never give up on themselves earn the world's respect. Day stacking. Every single day is important, but we often think that only when success comes, when we get a job or achieve something big, then we will start living happily. Until then, we stay surrounded by worry. But the truth is, every day is an opportunity to improve yourself, to take one golden step forward. Wake up early and make every day the best day of your life, because a good today lays the foundation for a better tomorrow. Free from distraction. The author says there are many obstacles on the path to success, But if we start focusing on them, we lose sight of the path itself. Successful people eliminate distractions from their lives as much as possible. They know that focus is what takes you to the finish line. This is the core reason behind their success. Only those who stay focused on their goals create history. Better awareness. Success begins with awareness. When we're aware of our actions, we're able to see, understand, and analyze better. With proper awareness and the right knowledge, we can make better decisions. And every effort we make moves in the right direction. Better choices. With awareness comes better decision-making. Every choice we make either brings us closer to or farther from our goals. This sense of discernment, this wisdom, is what sets us apart from others. Better results. When we have better awareness and better choices, better results are inevitable. We become more capable of achieving our goals and managing our life's priorities efficiently, because every wise decision is a step toward a better future. Twin cycle of elite performance. The author explains, hard work alone is not enough. Success requires a balance between work and rest. High achievers maintain an equal balance between their efforts and their rest. They know that just as waking up early is beneficial, so is getting proper rest at night. A tired mind and body cannot prepare for the next day. When we lose ourselves in technology at night, in mobile phones, PCs, gaming devices, we're weakening our tomorrow. That's why it's so important to let the body rest at night. Top performers understand this well. They relax at night, practice meditation, engage in soothing activities like body massage or mind games. All of this helps recharge them. The author calls this balance between rest and work, the twin cycle of elite performance. And this is the real secret to success. Because only a powerful mind and a strong body can become the true weapons to win the biggest battles of life. The Habit Installation Protocol. The author views the habit of waking up early as a journey through 3 stages: distraction stage, installation stage, integration stage. At first, waking up early isn't easy for the mind. We often tell ourselves, tomorrow, I'll definitely wake up early. But when the alarm rings, the body resists, and the mind starts looking for excuses. This is the distraction stage, a daily battle against yourself, your laziness. But the person who doesn't give up in this stage, who keeps trying to wake up every morning with a new sense of hope, gradually enters the installation stage. Here, both body and mind start adjusting to the new routine. Yes, it's not easy, but this is the turning point, where habits are born. And then, when that habit becomes a daily necessity, you arrive at the integration stage. Waking up early is no longer a task, it becomes a feel-good moment. Waking up before the sun, starting your day like a champion, this becomes the very ladder to success. Even legendary boxer Muhammad Ali went through these same stages. At first it was tough, but he practiced relentlessly. That very practice became his greatest strength, the habit that made him the greatest boxer in the world. Even the biggest companies face challenges in their early days, distractions, failures, pressure. But when they remain true to their purpose, they eventually reach the integration stage and make history, because those who don't quit become leaders. The 5 a.m. Club isn't just a collection of generic advice, it's a life-changing philosophy. The power of waking up early, the hidden truths behind success, the strategies to improve your life. All these are explained by the author in an emotional and realistic way. If you too want to bring a new morning into your life, then adopt these principles wholeheartedly, and you'll see how your life doesn't just change slowly. It transforms rapidly. Just start, because every victory begins with a morning. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because you're listening to English Armor, where every story changes your life.